Let us clap our hands.
Bynta ban Rakhe ka Jingdap arpasan Snem jong ka Claret Seminary, Nongpyniad jong ka Seminary hapoh ka jingialam Father Tomy Akkapadickal CMF, pada Father Kandula CMF, la pelongi ka lympung inter-seminary football tournament, haka balawan shim bantara Thuruthiyil Seminary, kynthup ka Selesian Nonglakhiat, Chapuchin Umktieh, Holy Cross Sumer, ka Claretian Umsning. Katei ka sngi, lawan sakhi daw MLA ka Umsning constituency u Dr Celestine Lyngdoh, kongsan, haka jingdon ryngkat Father Pius Thuruthiyil CMF Major Superior jong ka Claretian, Father Pius Shadap Parish Priest Umsning, Bah Rocky Chairman Umsning Town Dorbar, Bah Rocky Marwein lambat kiwe ki reuniam.
So if anyone is born with the life expectancy of 100 years, they will be able to see that Saint Claret is part of a quarter of the life. Now, when we talk about activities in different institutions, be it educational or spiritual educational institutions, I'm very happy to see that Saint Claret on their Jubilee year have decided to organize the inter-seminary football tournament. There is a very nice saying in English which states, a healthy body likes to stay along with a healthy mind. Rather, a healthy mind chooses to live in a healthy body. There are exceptions, of course. There are many people who are very ill, very handicapped, but having very strong will and can achieve many things. That is the exceptions. But when we talk of the normal, it is always a healthy body that has a happy mind. Now for seminarians, in the different houses, there's a lot of difference between the choice you have taken and the choice which other youths who are in different fields have chosen. The expectation levels are different. You have responded to the call. In Khasi we say, Kadebandon kajingkot. There must be a call of the Almighty, then only we can respond to it. It is not our choice. It is not the way we decide, but then it is the blessing of God that lead us to the ultimate goal of becoming spiritual leaders. Hundreds enroll in the seminaries, but we see only a few reach the end to become priests, to become maybe brothers in the different denominations that we have seen.
Ban Rakhe Iaka Jingdap arpasan Snem jong kani ka Claret Seminary ka Jingdon jong kani Claret Seminary ni hapoh Umsning ki Father Claretian hapoh ka jingialam jong Father Tomy Akkapadickal Father Samuel Kandula ki organize lani Nongpyniad ya kani ka jingialam football tournament inter-seminary. Jingdon ang ni harimhoy jungi santli tegi bawan gide tang saw gide ki Selesian Nonglakhiat nang ta ki Chapuchin Umktieh nang ta ki Holy Cross Sumer bat ki Claretian ang ni hapoh Umsning te ide ki South League team ki shim bentalang haka ni ka tournament ti kidon segi Jesuit humbir se ki mlaban light na kita wa per ti kidon bok wa ni hanim hoi juni kidon do san League seminary jing pynlong Lyngdoh William ide ki bona ki ide na wala class 11 12 ti Jesuit ti kidon ka no bishir pa ma sharo ti kidon san Tylli ti kene ka football tournament kalong ya kini ki san Tylli ki seminary tang batang South Tylli na ki shim bentang
Have the right performance done, people will watch and say, yes, he is a disciplined person. Well, he is having a good character. Well, he is a talented person. In order to make all of you talented, to reform yourself into a great personality and make you really useful to the society and also to the Catholic Church, we have the formation houses of our religious congregations. And this formation house of St. Claret Seminary is 25 years already serving the people of Northeast India. We do have very many coming from all the states of India, especially from Northeast. And this seminary is organizing this tournament. I am really very pleased to become part of it. Today, when we think about our capabilities, our talents, and our qualities, it is something that depends on one's own individual interest to develop our talents, one's own interest to find out what are the talents in me and really make it grow. For that, we need right learning and right guidance and direction.
I've been tripping about you daily. I've been out of my mind, looking all kind of crazy.